Open-ear earbuds represent a shift in personal audio technology, designed for users who want to stay aware of their environment while listening to music, podcasts, or taking calls. The open-ear earbud market has seen exciting new entries with the Nothing Ear Open and Bose Ultra Open earbuds. Both products aim to provide a unique listening experience that keeps users connected to their surroundings while enjoying high-quality audio. In today's video, we'll explore the key differences and similarities between these two innovative earbuds to help you decide which might be the better choice for your needs. The Nothing Ear Open earbuds stand out with their distinctive transparent design. Weighing only 8.1 grams each, they feel incredibly light in your ears. Their triangular shape, combined with a flexible silicone ear hook and a resilient nickel titanium wire, ensures a comfortable and secure fit. Designed to tilt at a 50-degree angle, the speakers are positioned optimally for sound quality. The earbuds come in a slim charging case that's just 19 mm thick. Bose takes a different approach with their Ultra Open earbuds. Instead of fitting into your ears, these earbuds wrap around them, opening the ear canal. The white smoke earbuds are IPX4 water resistant and come with a compact charging case. Both designs prioritize comfort and allow you to stay aware of your surroundings. However, the Nothing Ear Open's focus is on minimalism and style, while the Bose Ultra Open earbuds emphasize traditional audio quality with a more conventional design. Nothing has packed impressive audio technology into their compact earbuds. The Nothing Ear Open features a 14.2 mm dynamic driver with a custom-shaped diaphragm to reduce distortion and enhance bass. The diaphragm is titanium-coated for crisp high frequencies, and ultra-light components are used to improve mid and high frequencies. A bass-enhance algorithm is employed for deeper low frequencies. In terms of battery life, the Nothing Ear Open offers 8 hours of playback per charge, with a total of 30 hours when including the charging case. Even though the earbuds have an open design, Bose's Ultra Open earbuds use their proprietary open audio technology to deliver rich, private sound. The earbuds also feature immersive audio for a more immersive, spatialized sound experience. The Bose Ultra Open earbuds have a battery life of up to 7.5 hours. When you use immersive audio, the battery life is reduced to 4 hours. With the charging case, you can get a total of up to 27.5 hours of playtime. Both earbuds aim to deliver high-quality audio, but they approach it differently. Nothing focuses on driver technology and sound enhancement algorithms, while Bose emphasizes their spatial audio capabilities and open audio technology. The Nothing Ear Open comes equipped with AI-enhanced clear voice technology utilizing 2 microphones for improved call quality. Users can access an advanced EQ with an 8-band equalizer in the Nothing X app for sound customization. Gamers will appreciate the low lag mode, which provides sub-120 millisecond latency. The earbuds also offer dual connection for easy device switching, integration with ChatGPT, for Nothing phone users, voice control capabilities, a Find My Earbuds feature, and support for Google Fast Pair and Microsoft Swift Pair. The Bose Ultra Open earbuds feature simple sync for pairing with Bose smart soundbars and speakers, making them an attractive option for those already invested in the Bose ecosystem. They also come with a companion app offering adjustable EQ settings. Like the Nothing Ear Open, the Bose earbuds support Bluetooth multi-point connectivity. They feature simple button controls and boast up to 48 hours of standby time. Both earbuds offer companion apps for customization, but Nothing seems to provide more advanced features, especially for users within their ecosystem. Bose, on the other hand, offers integration with their other audio products, which could be valuable for existing Bose users. The Nothing Ear Open and Bose Ultra Open Earbuds both offer open-ear design and high-quality sound. The Nothing Ear Open is a more affordable option with a focus on innovative features and a stylish design. Bose Ultra Open Earbuds prioritize audio quality and a secure fit, but they come with a higher price tag. Consider the Nothing Ear Open if you're looking for a budget-friendly option with features like AI voice enhancement and ChatGPT integration. The Bose Ultra Open Earbuds are ideal for those who value premium sound quality and integration with other Bose products. Ultimately, the best choice depends on your individual needs and preferences. That was all about the Nothing Ear Open versus Bose Ultra Open Earbuds. So, which one you think is the best? Let us know in the comment below.